Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp chats are still on this device. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your WhatsApp account, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go to back, and guys, after doing this, you need to open your settings first, and you need to scroll down, click on app management, and guys, after this, click on app list, and here you need to find WhatsApp. So guys, after finding WhatsApp, here you can see, click on it. And guys, first of all, you need to uninstall your WhatsApp. So guys, simply you need to click on uninstall and click on OK. And guys, after doing uninstall, you need to reinstall again from your Play Store. And guys, after reinstalling, you need to log in your WhatsApp account again on this WhatsApp, and then your account will be fine. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and still having this problem, then guys, you need to open any internet browser. And guys, after opening your internet browser, here you need to search WhatsApp support. And guys, after this, you need to click on contact WhatsApp. And after this, here you need to select your support, that if you are using WhatsApp Messenger, then guys, you need to click on here. And if you are using business WhatsApp, then you need to click on here, and other technology, click here. So guys, I am using Messenger, therefore I am clicking on this tab. And guys, after this, you need to scroll down, and guys, here you need to write your phone number in which you have make your WhatsApp account. And guys, after this, here you need to write your email address, and here you need to confirm your email address. And after this, here you need to select your gadget. And after this, guys, here you need to write your problem, that you are facing the problem, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp, please fix this issue as soon as possible. And guys, after this, you need to click on next step and submit your problem. And after submitting your problem, within a day your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to open your WhatsApp smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.